Yeah, so it's a 1978 C10. Started out as a pretty much stock truck. Over the years, we kind of got into doing autocrossing and road racing, and just one thing leads to another, and now it's on a No Limit Engineering ProTech chassis. It's got independent rear suspension, a winter's quick change. It's got a 446 cubic inch LS motor, a SADEV sequential 6-speed transmission that's paddle shifted, all kinds of high-tech fancy things to make us competitive when autocrossing and road racing. Yeah, the most important thing is to maybe buy a good set of tires, a good set of brakes, and just go learn to drive. You'll come into challenges driving, and you'll talk to other people within the industry, and they'll tell you how they've overcome obstacles and what parts to buy. I think that's probably the most important thing, is just don't spend all the money right away. Try to drive, come into an obstacle, and then go from there.